Jira batebekanise hurezi ikigenderwa cyabo kibekiriye cyo kuyonjo rembo beitotereho no kushomesa abaturage aha Burungi oburiyo mu kurinda biceka byabo biriye biyonjo.
Market for us, we have been working with KRC. Our rubbish was not much, but other places we found that garbage is much. We should also work in hand with them so that we clear rubbish around Fortportal city for the good of our development.
Omukwezi ku 11 mwaka gwa 2021 akatika karukwebembero rembo rwa Fortportal kakatwa mungu eshonga zo kuyonjo rembo tiriho no kurundana Kasasiro mu rembo rwa Fortportal zikorwe company zo buntu kurebeka ngo rembo rwabasa kubora yonjo
ya kansi ibyo tukuja kumandira bamu ngirekere kora bamu private contractor no kuja kubana arabamu handi nasasuza siringi 10 batino kwa. So again, information is
almost one running track. But with this new ordinance which has come on board, they know if we sensitize the masses to understand exactly what is going on, I think this element of garbage will be solved once and for all in the coming, in the near future.
Ugurgira abandiko byo rembo rwa Fortportal ruriga mu Kasasiro irkwingana tani zigana 5 burkwezi kandi Kasasirezi neyo kibwa ningasho bumwe irundanwa hamwanya gurukundandwa ho Kasasiro mu rembo ndorumwe
rwa Fortportal. For example, mbera twaruga ito mu katala kanga kandi kwebembera Kasasiro tebeyire mu betwale bichweke bimwe bituha mu Kasasiro nababebembezi yabo nimbasaba bafueyo muno kwa kichweke kyange kinkwebembera koko bakisanga mbuyonjo bwacyo Kasasiro eno teriyange neyiwe noa kuro twayonje bichweka bino itwena twina kukwataniriza hamu na kanso na abanyamakuru na bebembezi abatalibamu na bamu
bame aba division zirkwebembero rembo rwa Fortportal bakahakanise cyo kwereza aba contractors kubantu bo bayonjo rembo rwa Fortportal bari kurabira mu kurundana Kasasiro bari kugira ngo bakora mu sente nyingi. Abaturage bagambaho na Sky TV basima abantu abatebekanise kuyonjo rembo bari kugira ngo ne kintu cyamani ukumanyisa abaturage oburungi bwo kuyonje byanga byabo.
Is close to the river. And when sanitation of the place is not that good, even the water we are using is not safe. We are always crying out that the government is not putting medicine in hospitals. Yet the diseases can be controlled by ourselves once we work on our sanitation. Keep in a clean environment. Most of the diseases are communicable. We can control them.
The government of some local councils to collect the plastics. It may be a very good idea if the communities can be in position to afford the fee that has been put in place for people to pay, and then the council takes the responsibility of collecting these plastics or other waste materials that are becoming a menace to our environment.
Ruse Kahunde uri inspector w'yamagara mu rembo rwa Fortportal yashobora ngo rembo bikirizene n'aba contractors ukwatanisa n'abantu kuya Kasasiro ha business zabo ningashama kagabo ukurigira har Kasasiro yubeine
capacity collective wait we have kiragire icyo kirabigwe uruntuke tulemerirwe henye makalika let me clarify it like this mutike tulemerirwe henye maho Kasasiro sentence tukeren tuhamu through licenses runye msore tukensoroza kireri nteitoho singo blemezi bwa Kasasiro tukere tuhini so nikyo tugandira ngati omusoro guli gwa okutebwe ha license gwa Kasasiro kubireho omuntu atandike gwesasura Kasasiro yesikumbatlo
Bakora gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki awa Sky TV agenshonga mu rembo rwa Fortportal.